With spring just around the corner, we have plenty of inspiration to help you fill the longer daylight sewing hours. We're starting off the month with Valerie sharing this super nice and easy quilt designed by Jane Chaya called Delilah. It has been made with spring-like fabrics and colours, comes as a kit and, as our product of the month, has free UK shipping. Valerie also brings us a modern style quilt using the hashtag as its motive, and our Technique Thursday has Valerie giving you an alternative to quilting, tying or buttoning your quilt. We get a look at the natural world of the Antipodes through the eyes of quilter Gail Lawther, who shares with us her glimpse of New Zealand and the beautiful textile and patchwork that her trips there have inspired her to make. Dawn Cameron Dick brings us an excellent workshop on the Drunkard's Path block, which has great scrap potential. And Sue Rhodes returns to our studio with her own design entitled Dresden Plate Plus in 2 sizes, which has her splitting the Dresden plate petal to create some wonderful colour designs. And there is also some English paper piecing to enjoy. Pauline Verinder talks to Valerie about making these exquisite seed pods or seed heads on your sewing machine. Fran Rose returns with how to make beaded buttons. And Jenny Raymond shows us, with her usual panache, how to make this very natty and useful wrist pin cushion. New videos are released on Justhands-on.tv every Friday. Become a paid subscriber to enjoy unlimited access to all our online classes by Britain's finest tutors to help you with your projects from as little as £7 a month.